Running out of Google storage? Your Gmail, Google Photos, and Google Drive are all using the same space, and most people don't even realize it. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to free up Google Drive storage without wasting hours deleting files one by one. And the best part is, Google already gives you tools to clean everything up automatically. Most people just never use them. First, head over to Drive, google.com, and open your Google Drive account. If you're using a free Google account, you get around 15 gigabytes of storage, but the steps in this video work the same no matter how much storage you have. Now look over to the left side. You'll see a storage section showing how much space is currently being used. Click on Storage, and Google will instantly show you which files are taking up the most space. And this is where things get interesting. You can quickly spot large files here. Select the ones you don't need and delete them immediately. But honestly, there's an even faster method most people miss. Click on Cleanup Space. This opens your Google One Storage Manager. Think of this as your Google Storage Control Center. At the top, Google automatically suggests files you can remove, like spam emails, trash items, large videos, blurry photos, and oversized attachments. And the crazy part is, Google already organizes everything for you. Let's review large photos and videos. Click Review, and you'll instantly see all your biggest files without scrolling endlessly through years of content. Once you find files you don't need, select them and click Move to Trashed. Next, let's free up Gmail space. Open the Spam section, and you can either delete emails individually or clear everything in one click. But here's the real trick. In Gmail search bar, type has attachment larger, 25 MB. This instantly finds emails with huge attachments that are eating your storage. Delete the ones you don't need, and don't forget to empty your trash afterward. And just like that, you've cleaned up your Google storage, freed up space, and made your account faster and easier to manage. If this video helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick and useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.